Hello, and welcome to Sleepy English, the podcast for learners who want calm, steady progress. I am your guide today. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow with ease. Find a comfortable place. Relax your shoulders. Take a soft breath in and a soft breath out. In this gentle session, we will practice listening and fluency with simple steps that fit real life. No stress, no rush, just kind practice, day by day. Today, we focus on daily practice made easy. Many learners believe they must live in an English-speaking country or study for hours to improve. That is not true. You do not need perfect grammar or long sessions. You need small, smart steps you can repeat. Steps that help you feel natural and comfortable using English in everyday moments. These steps protect your energy and still build strong results over time. Let us begin with a clear idea. Shadowing is a method to train listening and speaking together. You listen to a speaker and copy the sounds right away. But you do not need to stop and start, and you do not need call and response. In this session, just listen and let your mouth move softly with the rhythm if you wish. You can whisper, hum the melody of the line, or shape the words with your lips. This builds a path between your ear, your breath, and your mouth, so the words can flow more easily. Here is a simple daily loop that works in almost any schedule. Listen for 2 to 5 minutes. Choose a short, friendly audio with clear speech. Let it play without pausing. Then read a few lines from a simple text out loud or in a soft whisper. After that, reflect for 1 minute. Ask yourself what felt easy and what felt hard. Smile at your effort. Close the practice. This loop is light and strong. It keeps your focus gentle and consistent. Tip 1 is to listen every day. If you want to speak better, you need to hear more English, not once a week, but each day. Use calm podcasts for learners, short news for learners, or simple stories with slow speech. Play them while you walk, clean, cook, or rest. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. You can also loop one short clip again and again. Repeating the same sound helps your ear notice stress, linking, and the natural music of English. Let English be your soft background music during small parts of your day. Tip 2 is to shadow quietly as you listen, but keep it natural. You do not have to copy every sound. You can just move your mouth or speak 1 or 2 clear words from each sentence. You can focus on the rhythm and the length of the vowels. English often places stress on key words and lets other words relax. Feel the rise and fall of the voice. If you miss a word, let it go and stay with the flow. Your goal is smooth movement, not perfection. Tip 3 is to think in English. One small thought at a time. Translation slows you down and adds stress. Instead, build tiny English thoughts in daily moments. When you wake up, it is morning. I stretch my arms. I feel calm. When you step outside, the air is cool. The sky is bright. I walk with steady steps. When you work, I focus on one task. I can do this. These small lines keep your brain in English without effort. Later in the day, you can whisper 1 or 2 lines if it feels good. Tip 4 is to read aloud to train your speaking muscles. Reading in silence is good. Reading out loud is better. It helps your lips, tongue, and jaw move with control. Choose short beginner texts or simple stories. Read once slowly, with clear sounds. Read again a little faster. Read a third time with gentle expression, like you are telling a calm story to a friend. This is a soft workout for your voice and helps your breath carry your words. Tip 5 is to make English part of your life. Do not only study English. Live with English in small ways. Change your phone to English so you see everyday words many times. Make a short 3-sentence diary each night about your day. Record a 1-minute voice note to yourself. Join a friendly online group for learners and post a simple message once a week. Watch short videos you enjoy and echo your favorite lines in a quiet voice. Small actions build strong habits, and strong habits grow fluency. Here is a tiny weekly plan you can try. In the morning, while you make your drink, think 3 short thoughts in English. At midday, listen to 2 minutes of audio and let your mouth follow softly with 1 or 2 words per sentence. In the evening, read 5 simple lines out loud and record a 1-minute voice note about your day. That is enough. If you miss a day, begin again the next day with a calm breath. Progress is a direction, not a race. Let us add some friendly tools for your practice. Use a timer for 5 to 10 minutes so your mind can relax. Hold a pencil between your teeth for a few seconds before reading to remind your mouth to open gently. Then remove it and speak clearly. Place a hand on your belly and feel your breath move out as you speak, so your voice rides on the air and stays steady. Smile a little at the start of a line to soften your lips and create a warm tone. Now listen to a tiny mini story. You can just enjoy the sound. If it feels comfortable, you may shape the words with your lips, but there is no need to repeat aloud. Let it be soft and easy. Today, I choose to practice. I sit near a window and feel a light breeze on my face. My notebook is open, and my phone is on silent. I play a short clip in English. The voice is clear and gentle. My ears follow the rhythm like small waves on a quiet lake. I let the sound pass through me. I notice one word that shines. I notice one line that flows. When the clip ends, I breathe and I smile. I write one easy thing and one hard thing in my notebook. I thank myself for 5 minutes of care. I close the notebook and feel a little more free. Fluency also needs kind self-talk. Here are calm lines you can keep in your mind or your journal. They are simple and strong. If you like, read them silently or in a soft voice. They do not require any call and response. My English grows when I listen. My English grows when I speak. Small steps are enough. I am patient and brave. I can communicate with simple words. I am allowed to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn faster. I keep going with a calm heart. These lines are small but powerful. They guide your attention to the process, not to fear. Each line gives your brain a gentle target. When your thoughts feel busy, return to one line and breathe with it for a moment. Let us talk about rhythm, stress, and linking in a simple way. English speech has strong beats on important words. Other words are softer and quicker. This makes a smooth wave. To feel the beat, tap your finger on the table for the main words in a sentence while you listen. Notice how some words carry more weight. Notice how small words like a, the, and, or Too often move quickly and join with the word after them. You do not need to analyze. Just notice the wave and let your mouth follow it gently. Pronunciation improves when the mouth moves freely. Open a little more than you think you need. Relax your jaw. Keep your tongue light. Round your lips for long vowels when needed, and let your face rest between lines. Breathe low and slow. Your voice rides on steady air. If your throat feels tight, roll your shoulders back, release your neck, and take a soft breath before the next sentence. Here is a set of useful phrases for real conversations. You can keep them in your notebook and use them anytime. They are simple, polite, and protective of your calm. Could you say that again, please? Please speak a little more slowly. I did not catch that word. Thank you for your patience. I am still learning. Let me try to say it in another way. These lines help you stay open and keep the conversation gentle. When you build a habit, track it with one tiny mark each day. Draw a small dot on a calendar after you listen. Draw a small line after you read aloud. Draw a small star after your 1-minute voice note. A line of dots becomes a story of care. If a day is empty, you do not fail. You simply start a new line the next day. Kind consistency is stronger than strict rules. If you enjoy short drills, try a smooth chain once or twice a day. Say a short chain in one breath, or just follow it in your mind while you walk. I hear the sound. I copy the sound. I keep the rhythm. I learn today. I rest tonight. I try again tomorrow. I feel tense. I breathe slowly. I speak anyway. These chains teach your breath to support longer ideas, even when your mind is busy. Here is a closing routine you can use at night. Sit for 1 minute with slow breathing. Play a short English clip with a calm voice. Let it wash over you. Whisper 1 or 2 words that feel clear. Write 1 line in your diary about your day. Record a 1-minute voice note if you still have energy. Turn off the light and thank yourself for your care. You do not need more. You need steady kindness repeated many times. Before we end, remember 3 simple rules. Keep it short. 5 to 15 minutes is powerful when it happens most days. Keep it simple. Choose easy content so your mind can focus on sound and rhythm. Keep it kind. Talk to yourself like a friendly coach and celebrate every small win. Fluency grows from small actions that fit your real life. Take a soft breath in. Hold for a calm moment. Breathe out slowly. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your ears feel. You have listened with care. You have given attention to rhythm and breath. You have built a gentle habit that will carry you forward. Your English voice is getting stronger, day by day. Thank you for practicing with Sleepy English. You can return to this session whenever you want a soft routine for listening and fluency. Keep listening. Keep shadowing quietly if you like. Keep smiling at each small step. I am proud of your steady work. See you next time.